Hey boys, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be giving my little silly nerds some chocolate. This one right here, that boy, and this one, the girl one. Yes.
Jenny.
I'm going to be giving them chocolate. Well, my brother's going to be giving them chocolate. But, you already know, boys. Let's do this.
Jenny,
That's literally chocolate.
Jenny,
Oh,
eat it. Eat
she
it.
dropped it.
Jenny, eat it.
Jenny dropped it. See if Gump's gonna eat it. Jenny, eat it. Jenny! Jenny keeps dropping it.
Just put it down here.
Okay, here you go. Okay.
Gump ate
Chocolate
his.
right there.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Gump.
Oh, Gump, you better eat that. Oh, good boy. Oh.
Okay.
Nope, he's still spitting it out.
Okay, well, dogs will need a...
They don't like the chocolate. They're supposed to like, oh, he's eating it. He's eating it.
Oh my god, yes!
So he doesn't choke.
Yes, Gump. Yes,
She would
Gump.
bit it in half or something.
They don't want it.
Well, guess what? They won't eat it.
Why'd you eat it?
I don't know.
Right, Gump ate his.
Good boy, Gump.
No, you're not giving her that.
Time for the hint bar.
It's called Heath, buddy. Bite it in half for
I'm
the
in
girl.
third grade.
A small bite of it.
Yeah. No, Gump. You already got your chocolate. Nice, Jenny. Jenny, get your chocolate.
No.
Oh, Gump. By the way, Gump's the pig.
Yeah.
Gump eats everything. Jenny, eat it. It takes Jenny a while to eat stuff. Did Jenny eat it? Oh, good girl!
Oh my gosh, Jenny.
Well, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have to, they're gonna have the runs later, you know what I'm saying? Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. I'll probably be uploading here soon, and I will catch you later.